Hey everybody. So today I wanted to talk about Tupperware, TUP stock, and it bounced off the 211 area Friday that I mentioned. That was pretty much support, and it was pretty much oversold the last couple of days. Last week it got down to under 30, around 30. So it bounced off 211, and then today went over $3. It's kind of basing here around 290, around there. But I think that it has more room to run. It's just starting to break out break out of that down channel that it had. And so I think that's good news for whoever's holding Tupperware, or maybe you bought it last Friday. And I think we're in for another run that it looks like this thing could take off again. So keep an eye on it in the next couple of days and see where that goes. Check it in the morning. There's a lot of action pre-market that you see. They could catch a feeling on that, but we'll keep an eye on it, keep looking at it, and I think it could very likely head to the $4 area, and then from there it could just, who knows where it's gonna head. But there's a lot of resistance at 7. It went to the highs at 725 when it had the news about the as far as the settlement, as far as the bankruptcy, as far as getting some loans and stuff like that to keep them going. But we'll keep an eye on it, and I think it has further room to run, and we'll see from there. But as far as when it went up to 725, that was debt restructuring. Yeah, that was debt restructuring. So I think if it can get to 4, $5 is in the cards, 6 or 7. But of course, this is a gamble kind of stock, and nothing really to throw all your money into. Just like what I did with the Moomoo account, just to boost that up. It's a good one to throw a couple $100 in and see where it goes. But this is just my Tupperware update, and this one I've been following just for small accounts, and I think it's a good one still. So there was some worry when it was heading around 2, and then it bounced off some of my positions were stopped out, but I'm not really adding back to them. I'm just riding the one that I have in Moomoo. I got stopped out of E-Trade, and that was that. If you have all the time in the world to follow it, you can make a lot more money than the average person that's working trying to keep track of all these things. But we'll keep an eye on the next couple of days and see where it runs. It's a good one to watch, like I said, for small accounts, and we'll see where it goes. It double top a little bit here. It was like last week or so, and most people thought that was the end, but I think it still has room to run, and this is the beginning where it could really do something. So we shall see there. So if you like this video, hit a like, subscribe, and as always, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. This is just my opinion, and just throwing out these tips, or what I'm in and what I'm not in, as far as, and then my investing philosophy. And then there'll be other things that I'll be talking about down the road outside of trading and investment. But if you like this channel, hit like, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.